Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 25th of November 2025, with the team of Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, it is happening in Igua, Port Harcourt, as some bandits, FUL9N herdsmen, entered one particular village like that. I don't know even what gave them morale. I don't know what they are even looking for that side. Could it be that all this news that is flying around, that they have circled everywhere, could it be that it is true or what? Some people thought that this particular video is kind of not real, but it is real, because a full video of it, which Namama Begosibe ebe agbawusiri those people, yotago, because na egosiri ebe agbawucha afa ipichi ahakwa gosisie mgbegbe ka mgbegbe seto kasa ha na-arụ. And ụmụazụ bụchi ya ahụ, all those FUL9N herdsmen, ụmụazụ. So bana bụrụ ihe anyị abịa gosi the video ebe a, yotago, because na ọdụrụ yotago amana bata ya ebe a. So but these people kwaturu ya ahụ, like the exchange of fire was much in Port Harcourt today. But I thank God that the gallant men on ground repaired the attack.
We're under attack. As you can see, this is Mango Expobi. GSS Mango Expobi. We're under attack. As you can see, our soldiers are under attack. Right now, we're under. Hey, come on, Brenda. Wana! Oh, Wana! As you can see, we are under attack. As you can see, we are under attack now.
Nah, I go tell you truth to Ezioku Kamagunu, my good people of Biafrans, and my good people of Igbo, wherever you are, I greet you all. Oh, something I may now, Neyamongo. Oh, Nnamdi Kanu na 215. Also, if you know you are a cultist, don't use your cultist against your brother. Use it and fight the FUL9N herdsmen. So you people should come together now. Now is the time. And the time has come. Whatever cultist you are, any fraternity, anywhere where you belong to, Oga come. Bike guy to Biayezo, any cult where you say that you belong to, now where you need to use and do something, no be to use and they do go the key person, they can't do 2100, this or that.
So for now, everybody should be security conscious. Once you are in Port Harcourt, once you are in South, once you are Southeast, just be security conscious. And this particular thing calls for Igbos to come together and unite. Igbos should come together and unite. There is no need fighting each other. There is no need buying ourselves. We should come together, join hands together, so that if anything like this ever comes down to our own side, we'll be able to give them back to back immediately. Mana ọ bụrụ na anyị gbasasịa, ọya bụ na mmiri agbago ụgbọ. Mana anyị nọ n'Igwe, because na ndị Igbo kwuru okwu wee sị na Igwe bụ ike. Unity is strength. So it is time for Igbos should come together and unite. I understand this guy calling for the Igua Unonde bad politicians Oko na Igbo. Yes, I understand where he's coming from. But let us be calm at the moment. Let us trend with caution. Yes, even Hope Uzodinma said it. Na enwere evil politicians, na enwere bad politicians, na sponsor unknown gunmen.
Biafra, biko na afụgo n'ikpe ekpere gbasara onye ndu anyị, and ụnụ makwa na agbacha nkịtị na ife a ga na-aga n'iru. Biko atụmatụ nne otu ugbu a bụ na all the eastern governors, local government chairmen, bikono, kami no hawk one by one, makana umuhano na Nigeria. Umuhano obodo amina nwere ife ha na-ekwu. Ha agbachi nkịtị maka ha eribeghị ego Nigeria. Fụna ghọta bikono, ọ bụrụ na ga-etinye arụ na eastern anya ka anyị nwee n'ụlọ ha ncha niile ọkụ, local government chairman osimiri north, osimiri south, ebe ọla ị nọkwara, gọvanọ ka anyị nwee ụlọ ha ncha ọkụ. Ihe niile gbasara ala Igbo, gọvanọ ha niile, local government chairman ha niile, ndị ndu niile anyị masị na-achị Igbo anya, biko ka anyị nwee n'ụlọ ha ọkụ. Enyi dị ịmụnye ụlọ ha ọkụ, ịmụnye ụlọ ha ọkụ like this, ụlọ afọ na yes na Biafra na-aga na-enwekwa isi. Na ha gbachi nkịtị, ha ma agbachi nkịtị. Ka anyị nwee n'ụlọ ha ọkụ na ụmụ ha nọ n'obodo a. Ka anyị nwee everywhere ọkụ. If all the eastern governors is saying nothing and they have nothing to do and they don't want to talk to the Nigeria federal government about Nnamdi Kanu, that means all the eastern governors, you people are Fulanis, you people are Hausas, you people are being fathered by Hausas and Fulani. Yes, I said it clear. Because you people are betrayers of all kind. You people have betrayed Nnamdi Kanu because of money. You people think you people have the power of oil. Your children are schooling abroad. You people are here compensating with bandits, working with bandits. All the police, militaries in Nigeria, all of them are bandits. They are bandits. Our Nigerian president is a bandit leader. Yes, Soludo is a bandit leader. Yes, I'm an Anambra man. I said it clear and pure.
And after the election, they'll just abandon those talks. Remember that they have given them gun, no? They just abandon them with those guns. And then now, what do we talk do again? The talk now return into armed robber. So now I believe that most of all these people that are doing atrocities in our land are contractors under some bad politicians. So it is time for all these things to stop, and let us join hands together and give Igbo a peaceful home it used to be.
Every nation has a warriors. We are the warriors in Biafra. You can never put fear to us. Impossible. We are the battle ass. Every country, every nation have warriors that are speaking for them. I am a man of God as a David of our people. And we are Biafras. And we can never forget our forefathers did not fight the wrong battles. They are fighting for our rights, which our rights have never been given to us till today in Nigerian government. Stop that rubbish. Stop it. I want you that celebrating what happened to our brothers. Nnamdi Kanu, the only good man in Igbo land, only good man that love you, a true love, is only Nnamdi Kanu. The only true man that love this country, that want everybody to be free. He want Hausa to be free. He want Yoruba to be free. He want Igbo to be free. Everybody go to your country and develop your own nation. If you want to kill your brother, then you can kill them. Don't come and use one Nigeria and killing other people. And one personal people, one particular people are eating your resources in the name of Nigeria. That is why they refuse for the separation of Nigeria. Because one families are benefiting one Nigeria, not all the Nigerians. So whatever they do to Nnamdi Kanu is a personal interest of one person that enjoying the resources of Nigeria. That is what happened. A man that rejected money, no Igbo man, as far as I know, can do that country. All the Igbo people were sent to represent us. All of them had took bribes. But this young man, Nnamdi Kanu, is an opportunity to take his own bribe and go back home like other people. And they asked him, which is have you opened up? If anybody will come out and say what he said, he have opened up and tell you, they asked me to be a vice president. I say no. They asked me, do you need oil well? I say no. That is why a lot of Igbo people don't want to. Because they want him to submit it to bribe. And the young man said, bribe for what? I am talking about freedom of everybody. I just tell you this. China is free today. Look at what they have been doing for their own children and celebrating their freedom with a lot of development and a lot of things they have achieved since they have separated from colonization or colonization. Tell me one good thing that government of Nigeria have done for this country. Do you have 24 hours right? Do you have a good road? Do you have a job? Do you have any security? Nothing. And nothing can be done. Nothing will happen. Nothing can change.
Odumeje here also is not happy with what is going on with Nnamdi Kanu. Mama here also is not happy with what is going with Nnamdi Kanu. Odumeje said that Nnamdi Kanu need to be out from that prison, that he's the only true Igbo man that he has seen. He's the only genuine Igbo man he has seen so far since he started his life or his ministry life. Just listen to Prophet Dr. Chukwuemeka Odumeje in what he said about Nnamdi Kanu.
The only thing that can change is to divide this country. And everybody will go to their own places. Hausa, go to your people. Yoruba, go to your people. Igbo people, go to your people. And they know if Nnamdi Kanu is released, fake election will not be happening here. Bad government will not continue here. Yes. So don't begin to celebrate evil that was done to you. Only man, the only good man that love you outside Igbo Yoruba is Nnamdi Kanu. They want everybody to enjoy their own resources. Your resources are enjoyed by one particular family that call themselves governor, call themselves senator, call themselves president. They are the one enjoying the money and the resources that belong to all Nigeria. People you vote in to represent you as a governor, as a senator, now want you to begin to praise them. Are you doing all the projects with your money? As a president, as a governor, you are doing it with our resources. You did not work for it. Tell me one thing since Nigeria have independence. Tell me one thing that the government of Nigeria, every government tell me one thing that they have done for Nigeria. No 24 hours right, no security, no good road, no job for all the citizens of Nigeria. Every citizen of Nigeria, every month, the government must pay you. It is your right. You see people that handed your resources to manage for you and now bugging to you to be calling them president. It's impossible. These are businessmen and disappointed men. Don't ever dare to speak against Nnamdi Kanu. If you have already, if he decided to sell you, he will sell you very well and living fine now. But what nobody in Igbo land have done it. Nobody in this country, both in Yoruba land, both in Hausa land, have done the kind. Nobody can try it. When anybody agitates, they will set money to you and you will surrender. And the Almighty God will still save him. The Almighty God will still save him. I remember in the time of Moses, The Lord fight for Moses. They have already concluded the destruction of Moses, but the heaven did not keep quiet. He said, the door I, the Lord, did not close. Nobody can close it. When I go to say yes, nobody can say no. The Lord is not yet. Stop talking. Onye nwa ka no chairs here. Obigbo ka no chairs here. Anampampa ya. Ono pata ka ngari okwu okwu kan ko kita ka okwu bido. I am a warrior in the Nigeria. I'm a warrior in the Biafran land. I'm a warrior. If we die, we die. We have died many years ago. Look at how bandits are negotiating. Look at how weaker leaders are negotiating with people you must arrest and put them behind the bars. And you are negotiating with them. Where you see them killing Christians in broad daylight. I pray for you. Guide yourself physically and spiritually for this country. Amen.
My Biafrans, you can as well see that the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu are already visiting him in Sokoto because Nnamdi Kanu is going for an appeal. And it is time for us to pray that this one will work. All we need in Biafra land is peace. All these buying, they have to stop in Biafra land. They seriously have to stop. Stephen Cross here is narrating things that is going on since the jailed Nnamdi Kanu. Just listen to Stephen Cross here in what he is saying concerning the case of Nnamdi Kanu, Simon Ekpa, and the Biafran story all together.
My people, this is Sokoto. I've been in this town for since 2 days now. Today is the 23rd day of November. I came to see Nnamdi Kanu. I have been with him since yesterday, so we have been discussing. So he's in Sokoto Correctional Center here, and what we are asking now is this: somebody whose appeal is in Abuja, and they're putting him in Sokoto. And if you want to file some processes, would the federal government made a private jet available for him to take him to Abuja? After filing his process, they take him back. So that is another issue that is giving us concern, because the place of jurisdiction where he's going to do his appeal is in Abuja, and it's on record that all the filings that he has been doing it by himself in Court of Appeal Abuja Division. So there are some things that he needed to file there, including affidavit. He cannot do it. Everybody is frustrated. Everybody, we are handicapped. So we are now looking for the next line of action on what to do. But meanwhile, at least for the first time, at least I have seen him. He's to confirm that he's in a Sokoto prison here. So I will be leaving to Abuja now. Then thereafter, I'll keep you people updated. Thanks and God bless you. Well done.
All right, good morning, Biafrans from here. Good afternoon, good evening, good night to every one of you. As you all know, that Nnamdi Kanu was jailed on the 20th of November 2025. Now the world has started talking about it. Everybody, including the presidents of the world, dignitaries, everybody is now speaking about Nnamdi Kanu. Celebrities all over the world are talking about the injustice that was carried out by Injustice or Motosho to Nnamdi Kanu. So the world is talking about it. It's a global thing now. So and I really want to appreciate Dr. Masanga, who will be coming to the United Kingdom to submit petitions against Nigeria in the United Kingdom court. Today, you know, I spoke with Dr. Masanga yesterday, and there is a lot of things he said via, you know, his X handle, and he said as well that Biafran matter will be, you know, discussed by him next week, and he beat to his chest that he will support Biafra to the end. That's a very good one. We want to appreciate him, want to thank him. And again, I want to thank our mommy of the United States of Biafra, Dr. Ngozi Arabueze, Excellency. I want to thank you and appreciate you for what you are doing for your people, Biafra. We are all seeing it. We are not daft. There are people who feel that you are doing it the wrong way. And we have challenged them in the time past to bring about what they are able to do for us. We have not seen any one of them. That means they are not for real. So we'll push them aside and keep working with you. So thank you, Dr. Ngozi Arabueze, for what you have been doing for Biafrans. Biafrans want you to help them to do more because they've been chatting me and they've been talking to me. And again, you see this woman now that I put here. This is the woman that was attacking Simon Ekpa. And I talked about her the very first day Nnamdi Kanu was wrongly convicted, you know. Now, this woman attacked everybody. She attacked Simon Ekpa when Simon Ekpa was defending Biafran land. She said that it was Simon Ekpa that was causing insecurity in the southeast. Now, today, all of them are now crying, oh, Nnamdi Kanu is this, Nnamdi Kanu is that. It is not, what is it called? It is not IPOB that is causing the insecurity. It's now a Bubago. This is the useless woman that kept saying that. And that is why I called her a very useless woman. So, please, Biafrans, this woman is evil. She fought Simon. She came out and started making videos about Simon. The moment Simon was removed, now the unalive testified. She could not say anything again. She started now changing her stories. So we don't work with people like this. Yeah, despite the fact she's always there talking about what is going on, what they are doing to Nnamdi Kanu in court and all of. We don't care. What we care about is the release of Nnamdi Kanu that is going to come very soon from the United States of Biafran government. So that is this woman. No. Just put her one side. Again, Justice Omotosho is in Dubai. Somebody was asking me his exact location. My brother, I don't know his exact location, but we have the intel that is in Dubai. I want to tell Justice Omotosho that this run where you run, they don't run and well. You know run and well. You don't see this run at all. You don't see a run. You can only run, but you cannot hide. Igbos are everywhere in the world. This time around, is going to be fire for fire. This is not a threat. You convicted a man without a law, and you expect Igbos to go and be sleeping. We cannot sleep. We will hunt you to find you, and then you come and tell us how this law that you're using, jailing a man, throwing a man's life away, stood in court. How this law was manifested, where he committed this evil, and what evidences did you bring forward to pass your final verdict? Justice Omotosho, you see me, I know they fear you. Last, I know they fear you. In this country, there is freedom of speech. So last, I know they fear you. You can only run for a couple of months, days, but you cannot hide. Igbos are very angry. I want to use this opportunity to warn Bianca Olowu, we are not your brothers. Go and meet the Yorubas. We, Ndi Igbo, are not your brothers. So when you are talking about Igbos should relax, Igbos should be calm, go and tell that to your family members. Don't come here and tell us to be calm. Again, Uchechi Kanu, I want to warn you for the very last time, do not mention Simon Ekpa from your mouth again. Don't write anything about Simon Ekpa again. Do not. We are warning you for the last time. I'm not going to warn you again. I've warned you in my first video. I'm not going to warn you again. Don't ever mention Simon from your mouth anymore. Since you people want to be mad, all of us are going to be mad together. So, Biafrans, somebody again was asking me to tell Dr. Ngozi Arabueze that we should negotiate our oil. Bro, not be so. Not be so. If you negotiate your oil, at the end of the day, it will bounce back at you. Don't worry. We are doing it legally now. Finland government, that's Alexander Stubb, the foolish man, said we should go legally. So we are doing it legally. So that but now we are going legally now for the world to see the injustice that Nigeria, in fact, we are exposing Nigeria every single day with what actions the government is taking today. So don't worry. Our oil, if we meet any country of this world, maybe US or Japan, or to come and fight for us, negotiating your oil is not the best deal. Yes, it might be, but it's not the best because of tomorrow. So calm down. Guys, calm down. Here, Nigeria, it will subside. This is now the kind of transfer they want to halt us so that we will come and then they will roll out army and call us terrorists. It is very simple. So let us not fall into it. We will work with our brain this time around. We work with our brain. We are not scared of them. So on this note, let me leave it at that.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us. Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Bye.